Before the human hand touches the soil, something is already at work. Not a farmer, but intelligence, quiet and invisible. For centuries, growing food was a balance of timing and intuition. Farmers studied the land. Today, AI reads those stories faster than ever before. High above, drones scan entire orchards. They detect stress long before the human eye can see it. Tiny changes in color and growth patterns. Seconds of data. Sensors measure soil health. AI analyzes this in real time, deciding exactly when and how much to water. No waste, no guesswork, just precision. Robots move between branches, identifying ripe fruit with near-perfect accuracy. They pick only what is ready. Each harvest becomes smarter than the last. Even in small gardens, a phone can diagnose disease and guide planting schedules. What once required years of experience is now accessible to anyone. AI learns from nature. It predicts weather and pests with increasing accuracy. The result? Healthier plants, stronger harvests, and a more sustainable future. But technology does not replace the gardener. It empowers them. The connection between people and the land remains. Instinct becomes insight, growing, intelligent, and deeply rooted in the future of food and the gardens.